chaba chaba agaghị m aba n'ụlọ onye kpọrọ masị.
Where is your son?
Nani, ụtụtụ ọma, good morning.
I'm not here for your greetings.
Osebegodi.
I ask again, where is your son?
Nani, my son is not back yet.
Hey! So the porcupine has forgotten that his body is full of thorns, so as to tread carefully for people not to march on it and get hurt. Has your son forgotten the burden he's carrying as the Zeji of Obunike? So as to tread carefully.
Hey, Nani, Biko, my son will come back.
When will he come back? Is it when the lizard develops pubic hair? Is that when he will come back?
Hey, God forbid!
Is that when he will come?
Then
let him make haste while the sun shines. He is the Zeji of Obunike, and he has to perform the sacred tradition before we eat the new yam. Let him come back, oh.
Nani, okay? Nani. Oh! Get him no different be fair. No one know this boy. Eh? You have refused to come back, Okuya. What is all this? Eh? Why don't you just come back and perform the rites? You know, eh? What do you want me to do? You must come back, oh. And come and perform this thing, oh. Give it to me. And now calling me up and down, talking to me anyhow because of you. You have to come back, oh. Tension the high. On the high, yo. Magic be simple na next year is in here. Oh, Chendana, back on our body, come what I give it an about. What would you wait on? What can you say?
See him?
He has not returned.
Yeah. Oh. Somebody should go and fetch him now. Somebody should just go and fetch him before all of us dies of hunger in this village.
Will you shut that pit latrine you call out? Who are you to tell me how to perform my duties? Are you do not parade a manhood or the same genital I married you with?
No, I am sorry.
Will you get out of my sight?
I want to go
out!
What I am to the fry and draw. Would you want? But I watch the money. Okay. Today I'm going to roast yam for me. Let her make sure that fresh pepper is available with Oba and Obaka and Otazi. No me here, guess. That's what I want to take this morning.
Thank you, Papa.
You're going in the house, so do it well.
Sorry, Papa. But there are no more yams in the yam band. Unless you want me to go and dig some.
Huh? What did I hear you say? Dig what? Oberuju? You want to bring calamity upon my household? Or even marry? Hey!
But which one is calamity now? You just said you wanted to eat yam this morning. And we have enough yams in the farm.
Enough! Where on earth did you hear that a woman is permitted to dig yam out from the ground in this village? Huh? You want to bring such curse upon me? What have I done to you?
How can someone have enough yam and yet we cannot...
What is wrong with you? Huh? Say my boy. It's only Raftamu. It's only Rafutamu. What I can Rafutagomo. But what is Ichie Uchendo's dead way? He must do something and very fast. Before all of us perish of hunger. This is too much.
Ozobi Ajulu, have you come to douse the tension that is enveloping me?
Ichie Uchendo, I have come to ask you one important question. Is it that now Wamba Mahozi Akbo isi Kona Agoba Adehenko? Is it that you don't know what to do again? Or you take pleasure in watching all of us perish in hunger?
Am I Obinna that should perform the rite? Itiboribo, am I Obinna?
Uchendo, Obinna is your late brother's son. If he fails to come home, you can do that on his behalf.
Did you say such a thing? Ozobi Ajulu, or has the hunger ravaged your reasoning?
Maybe.
How can you vomit such an abomination?
What if he refuses to come?
Then we can look for solution, Itiboribo. If he refuses, we look for solution.
Chelu, it is not a matter of Itiboribo. You know that insult you might decide to make on me. Huh? It is the fact that I am disappointed. I have lost every hope in you and your lineage, who are the sole custodian of Imeji custom. I am going. Night is fast approaching. Get him, before all of us will die, and I'm
Papa Ashe.
It's almost dying. Almost making. Bob and a bar, one bar. Hey! Only they could tell, but they could tell you. Now, Kolokere, because Kambuta.
Mama, happy all day.
Hey, nah.
Mama.
Omekania. Aboko Dikeh. Agada bochiluzo.
Okasamoa.
Ano na abwebwe. Ano polonko, mano na eju ono. Hey! Una fugu no nchako no ra. Those of you that said my son will never come back. Nsiono. Hey! My son is back to perform the traditional rites. Or if he on the obunike,
Mama, sometimes I just get confused. I'm caught in between this tradition and my faith.
Nah, don't be confused though. I want to Dikeh. If you go na your kadibo.
Yes.
He sent you to school to learn the different cultures and still retain your own. You got even now why? Nyaboni get for your uncle. Iche uchendo. Kamalun kene mekeme boss or say so. The community is distressed. Eh? Now, Kainaba. Oh, what we five you go tell the next.
Mama,
you got them bread. Bread in the Lagos.
Mama, here you come. Come here.
Abutache. Hey, Mama.
Oh no, man. Mama. Oh no, man.
I got what you do.
Oh no, man.
I got what you do.
Oh no, man. Bye-bye. Ichio Chendo.
Come. Hey! What is it? What is it? Huh? Hey!
Ichio Chendo, I greet you and my apologies.
Keep your greetings and apologies to yourself. Listen to me. If we had lost a soul out of hunger, if we had lost a soul, I would have shown you what spirits do with human skull.
If you know what is good for you, you just have to start preparing for that sacrifice.
Obiageli, are you mad? Do you want to take my position as the custodian of Emumeji? Do you know you have mentioned the mentionable? You mean you're not afraid to talk to our Ezeji or Obiageli?
My husband, I'm sorry. I was just trying to let you...
Listen to me! Your apology is unacceptable. Very unacceptable. And you must give to the Ezeji one big input. Hey! He go to Baraba. Yes! And 4 tubers of yam.
I have forgiven her, honestly.
That is your business. Entirely your business. It is a taboo for a woman to meddle in the affairs of this sacred sacrifice. So, she must pay the fine. I've spoken. Obegeli, get lost. Lost! Get lost!
Let me continue with where I was going before.
Ichio Chendo, please, like I said before, I'm really sorry. But now I am back to take control of that is bestowed upon me. But I need your support. I need your help.
It's alright. We shall do that on the Market Day. Huh? Yes, so that I will find time to inform Amawa, Okalo, Osile, Azu, and Ifita. Huh? Yes, and other village heads. Okay? Yes. You can now go and take a rest from your long journey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Let me be going. I'll see you, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
These children.
Nem. Here is no phone go.
Oh, the nakalaka.
But let me ask you. Why didn't you open a restaurant at Oyo Lisa? Or near some Monica self?
Ongwana, I will answer you that question.
Please.
Because I want you, my family members and relatives to be the only ones that will enjoy my cooking.
If Rafaga, hey, I forget by
Chaluko, it's an alpha abamu normal before joke. Oh, normal means good home.
Yes.
And what if I'm
oh, by your name, it's I know everything.
Daloso. This is what can you.
Yeah.
Let me ask, the meeting you had with your uncle,
Yes.
I hope it went well.
Nothing. It went well. Now you're beginning to behave like the wife of the tortoise. You say you will not ask and you don't want to pay fine, but you're still probing.
But I hope you people did not quarrel.
Yeah? We did not. Anyway, in case you want to know, the only answer is that we'll start digging the yams from after Oye market.
Yeah, after a care.
Okay,
Hey, will come.
you know I'm a titled person. I don't talk when I eat.
I know. Ki wait see us. Mananya be for broke on na.
Hi.
Live no. Asina Nancy.
Oh no, man.
Remember those days when our age grade meets.
But my trust.
I remember those early days when I was your age mate. Now if you don't dance anymore. Hey, you don't know nowadays, our hair days. You don't know what you're missing now. Ah, my husband, welcome. No.
Where are the items for the fine? Obiageli, listen to me. A fly that does not heed advice follows the corpse to the grave. If you say you don't take shit, shit will take you. Today is the last day to pay the fine to Ezeji. Tomorrow is Eke. And you cannot do it on the day of sacrifice. I've not seen any sign.
My husband. I can't raise money for all these items you just mentioned.
That is your punishment for being nosy and disrespectful. You have missed Afigo Gidi. You have missed Oyo Lisa. You have missed Afompo. And today is a Wago. If you like, stay here. But you must buy the yams and all the items, including the big impi, with a sizable ochoklopin.
Hey, my husband, please. I can't raise money for all these fines. We don't have yams in the bank again. And you know about it. How do I raise money for 4 tubers of yam? And upon that, you added goats, and even went ahead to describe the big goats. How can I buy that kind of goat? 109. Oh, since I've sold my she goats, kindly give me one of your he goats, so that I can use to offset the fine. And just be thinking about how to raise the...
Obiageli, I don't care how you go about it. Go and sort yourself out. But you must pay the fine. Today, next time, you learn not to interfere in the affairs of men. Obiageli? Huh? Obiageli? Huh? Obiageli? Huh? Huh? It's all right.
Hey, if I had known, I wouldn't have opened my mouth one bit.
Ndulu.
This one is all right.
No.
Obiajolo. Why is the post of Ezeji hereditary? And why must it come from Amawa?
And they shouldn't have come from Isiobunike either. Huh? You see, the right people to answer this question you're asking me now is our ancestors. Because right from the time before I grew up to this level with you in this community, both of us know very well that it has been a common practice that this ZG must at all times come from Amawa. So I don't know why you're asking this question.
Listen, if this delay happens again, I will make sure that Ezeji stops eating meat. Yes, he cannot continue to the delay is enough. Okay, Nekwan?
Ndulu, I think it is of mouth to be angry now. Huh? Because the SDG position have been strategically positioned by our ancestors. And now that we find ourselves in this condition, there is nothing we can do than to wait for the time of the gods. Because I know that what you are asking for can never happen. Yes, never happen. Unless you want to wrestle with the gods. Which I know you will not like to wage war with the gods.
To hell. To hell. Let me see that double-cultured man. He will pay me for all the damages. He will.
Hey, Obiageli. This one you remembered me today.
Well, I did not come to see you. I came to see your son. Is he around?
Don't worry, my son is sleeping. I made this agidi with vegetable soup. After eating it, he went to the room to sleep.
Who asked you? I didn't ask you, of course, and you know that. I came to see your son and not you.
Acha, full-grown young lady. Everything has come out. So we don't know how to greet people again. Okay? Good evening. Good evening to you too.
No, good evening.
Good evening.
You see a well-brought-up child. Did you see how we just greeted you? If only an okay says woman, that is how to bring up a child.
Because truth. This is the good. I came to redeem what my husband said told me to bring. This is it here. This is the yam.
You know, Nem, left for me alone, I wouldn't have insisted on this fine. But if not for tradition, you know how it is. Huh? However, thank you very much, you know. There's nothing I can do about it.
No, if I'm here, this goat, by the time I finish making pepper soup, then I use this yam to pound. Hey! Oh God, it will be a good one.
Come on, let's just get out of here. No problem.
Are you sure you don't want to stay back and enjoy? Hey! Nah, you didn't even tell me that they find her.
What kind of celebration is this? Why are you getting excited over this one? And moreover, or everything can work around wine about. Should men be discussing everything with women?
Hey.
Women discuss this with women.
You know, when I will pound this yam, sway me this way. I pound it this way. Now, take that in and come and carry this thing. Hey! No more market for 1 week. How can you see a normal? After what you are not done.
Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okaniru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji emumudo na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okaniru.
You may sit down. Anụzụ obodo anyị nye n'ụmụ nwa ji m were ụgbọ ji me dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọ bụkọghị m dodorimado ma na ọ bụrụ nwaanyị na-agakwa anụ ya anụ dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọ bụkọghị m dodorimado. Emume ji ka anyị na-eme asị na ọ ga-adịla anyị mma, ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Eke, ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Orie, ọ ga-adị n'Afọ, ọ ga-adịla anyị mma na Nkwọ. Emume ji ka anyị na-eme anyị sị na ji bụ eze ji, eze akụkụ, na ọ ga-adịla anyị mma o. Ezi ma anụzụ obodo anyị nye n'ụmụ nwa ji m were ụgbọ ji ime dodorimado ma ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọ bụkọghị m dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwaanyị na-agakwa anụ ya dodorimado. Ezeji, it is your turn to perform your duties.
Emumeji, Oganiru,
Emumeji,
Emumeji,
Oganiru,
Oganiru,
Emumeji.
Our fathers performed it. Our forefathers also did. And passed on to us. It is the tradition. With the powers vested on me as the SAG, I hereby commission this New Yam Festival to be fruitful, that we will eat and be alive, and increase and multiply. I hereby cut to represent the 10 different clans that makes up Obunike.
Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji Oganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo. Jine buta fo juju buto bianulo kode binudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji Oganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji Oganiru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo. Obidolu na bobo. Obidolu na bobo. Emumeji Oganiru. Obidolu na bobo. Chikweze nubinani. Emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo.
Oyo man.
Yes.
Oyo man.
So it's ready.
Kitchen.
It's all right. Wait. Chine, there's plenty.
Papa.
Yes.
Why do you even want me around? Just to eat the first yam with you?
My son.
Papa.
You see, when a plantain tree dies, the young ones take over. I want you to know the culture and tradition of our people. Most Igbos who live in townships these days do not know our culture anymore.
You have a point there, Papa. Some children can no longer speak Igbo language. Even my neighbor's children in Enugu cannot speak Igbo. They don't know they are fast losing their identity.
That's right. That's right.
Papa?
Yes.
This lamb is very sweet.
Indeed.
Papa? I want to be the next Ezeji.
Chinedu.
Papa.
You cannot be Ezeji as long as Obinna is alive. And his son will be Ezeji after him.
Then, why does he not want to get married?
Leave that issue.
Papa, at his
Wait, leave that issue. I will address it very soon.
Papa, what I'm just saying is that at his age, he should be a father to 1 or 2 children by now.
I know.
Anyway, if he doesn't get married and he dies now, I will be the next SH.
Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you speak evil in such manner? Do you know it is sacrilege to wish him dead? Or do you want the gods to descend on my family?
Papa, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. That is the problem with the youths of nowadays. They are over ambitious. And that is why they go into crime easily. Honor and integrity have been thrown to the winds.
Papa Bikusian, Wara, please forgive me. I'm very, very sorry. Papa, you see, you're a man of justice, honor, and integrity. I want to follow your footsteps.
It's all right. But you should not think evil of anyone. You have to be upright.
Okay, Papa.
That's it. So let's enjoy the food.
Obidolu na bobo, chikweze nubi na ni emumeji emumudo.
Onne isilie.
Mokwe fon saja ya. Saja. Saja.
Good afternoon.
Edo?
Inata.
Yes, ma'am.
You came to eat the new year with your father. Oh my God, no.
Please come and join us.
Hey, Brother Jude, I've celebrated my father already. Email, Mama. I would have loved to have feud already.
Oh, so what?
Brother Jude, my father sent me to call you.
Tell him I'll come and see him later after the dinner.
Okay, brother. Mama.
Do you know why he sent for?
I don't know, but I think I'll just go and see him right away. Let me even run and go and see him now.
Libenu, you have not taken enough fish.
No, I will do that when I come back. Can't you fear? I'm coming back now. I'll eat when I'm back. I'm okay now. I'm after.
Obinna.
Iche, I'm here.
If you want to lay an epileptic woman, you do it in a haste so that epilepsy will not catch you. But if you relax in her inner chamber, as if it is your father's parlor, if you don't catch epilepsy, epilepsy will catch you.
But Iche, I don't.
Obinna, why don't you want to get married? Is it the Jude in you that is stopping you, or what?
Iche, there's nothing wrong with my name. Eh? It's just a name.
There is something in a name. And that is why I don't call you that name. I call you Obinna.
Well, Iche, the truth is, whether you call me Obinna or Jude, they are all my name, and I will answer to you.
Is it that the breadfruit has refused to fall? Or is it not yet ripe? Or is it that the bubedike in between your legs is not working? It is only an impotent man who shudders at the sight of a woman. What is your problem?
Iche, let me tell you the truth. Eh? I am well able and capable of doing everything that my mates don't do. Eh? If he's even riding a horse, I know how to ride very well. Even at Lagos where I live, I've been riding.
Then why don't you want to have your personal horse? It is shameful that the Ezeji of Obunike is not married. You are supposed to have gotten a son to replace you as the Ezeji.
Iche, you have a point. Now that you have said it, I will think about it.
Obinna, we have already thought about it. That Lagos is deceiving you. You must get married before you go back to Lagos. You cannot perform the next Emumeji without being the father of a son.
Uncle, like I said, I understand your point. Eh? But why don't you try and understand it from my own point too? See, where I live in Lagos, I'm struggling. And I barely have money to take care of a woman.
Obinna, you must get married. With or without money.
Dikeh. If this being the SAG is putting unnecessary pressure on me to do the things that I'm not ready for yet, maybe I should just denounce it now.
Hey! I didn't hear anything. Hey!
See, girls, are we not going to Okalo again?
We are not going. I don't want my father to catch me. I want to sit here and eat all the different shades of yam prepared in different ways.
Ujunwa. Ujukasen. You like food too much.
You uncle. I like running. Hey, the unmarried Ezeji of Ubunike is coming.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Ezeji. Choma. Ezeji.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, you did well by coming home. I would like to come and visit you at home.
Oh, well, you can come, but come with your friends.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome.
Hi, Chioma. To fear again. What is wrong with you? You know about Queen Kege, eh? I'm Madam the way Ngeji describe what
My sister. Take it easy.
See, if you don't want to shine your eye, me, I'm ready to shine my own. If you think I'm happy staying in the village, be there. So this rubbish made a kid about shining of eyes. Eh, Chioma? Are you not about shining of eyes? Are you not ashamed of yourself? A man is supposed to be the one chasing after you, not the other way around.
Tell her. That one is your business. Did you see the way he admired me?
Kita.
Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey, I can't wait to marry him and follow him to Lagos.
Follow to Lagos.
Yes.
Shut up. Marry. Nejili na nwayo obiko. Atozazina.
Marry.
Oh, Christiana. Hey. Mama Kanya. Oh, Guinea. Why is your face like this? What happened at your uncle's house? Get it for? Eh? Guinea me.
Have your son told you the abomination he vomited from his mouth?
Oh, no, he has not.
Just because I told him to get married. He wants to denounce his position as the SAG.
Eh?
Yes!
To fear.
Tell him he will die. He will die because no SAG in our lineage has done that. And for the nonsense he said with his rotten mouth, I have to appease the gods. Otherwise, they will wipe away our entire family.
Help him. Help us.
Help him. You are even the one that spoiled this overgrown adult who has not even deemed it right to settle down. Dear, I'm giving you only 1 week. 1 week to get married. Else, you will know that the dwelling of the mangrove in the swamp does not make it a crocodile. I'm through with you. Bawana Okoro, you and your son. Yes! Go on! Bawana Okoro, that's what you have come to the world to do. I wish you luck. Good luck!
You see, I've been telling you since. Settle down, get married. Look.
Mama, see what I can hear. Let's take it easy. And I should have me.
Make what easy? And I draw me guinea. Nanny, I get you okay. Look at your baby. White and black. Baby, give me a fun white. Eh? If a lady may. Look at your beard.
No wine. I'm going out to mommy to crazy. I'm going out to mommy to the money.
Let her come and farm with me. That is okay. Look at you, black and white and fun. If a white and green apple, he has no money. He will give him a white and fun. Now, wait, Obi. Calm down. If you go want the Papa Gauchendo, your uncle, he means well. He wants to protect you and the entire family.
Or you try to say mean well, or on being hard on me, or is that meaning well?
Nah, I can't go on you. As your mother, I will always tell you the truth. Na ilu going no munyenke. Chilo munkege na gayali. Ilu logie.
Mama, so you're not another person, and you understand my issues with money. Money. Bobu ni na agbo ego, rapuka ni ego. Ana anu si wanya anu si. Ego me kwani keji anu munye.
How much do you need to spend to marry a woman? Enna.
Oh, yeah, Maggie here. That's why I should just go and find a wife within 1 week. 1 week. I don't know the woman. I have not dated the woman. Then, it's what he said, man.
They are awful. The new generation. Hey, you date a woman before you marry her.
Yes.
Yet at the end of the day, the marriage breaks up.
It's not all the time.
It's not all the time, but most of the time. Our own generation. Do you know that when your father Okadibo saw me, on a polomania, Obuni Fortune, Okadibo walked up to me, or proposed it to me, more of Piana, Ecolobian mad, Nkweta. I yet taste to look forbidden fruit, or Barakoma Canaru picking, Nkoji Susumono. We lived happily until death took him from me.
So, Mama, you're in support of Uncle Luchendo. Is that what you're saying?
If you're why you trying to reason with you, is it not in support of your uncle? This is in support of your uncle, Guinea. I want to see the next SAG. Obuna munya yakwa ya chota. Igwam kan chota li munya. Maka na anya ma na afifa de mma.
Hey. Kidi he na dade are already have become.
Bia. Onigi on puteli gi ake na batili mu. I'm not even the one that should be asking you if you will eat. If you are there, may oh munya to si kweba na aju gi figeli. Nne no na aju na aza na akoye. No. Ya no ba. Nonsense.
Asa baby. Choma Mbanefu. Where are you going to? Where to Biko? Ebekwa.
I'm going to Oyolisa to buy something.
Oh ye gini. Oyolisa kiji ken kuchanina dressed like this.
Is it because this one is long?
But you not pull it down now. Hey.
See, forget I'm in the village. I'm not Mbeke like you. Do you hear?
Me Mbeke.
I'm not Mbeke like you now. Can't you see? I be like hot now. 180. Imarozi. Inekuzike kana mom. Please, oh, don't worry. I'll put you in the mood. Nga kuziri giwe. Oh. Yes.
You will teach me. Oh, are you sure it's Oyolisa you're going to? This girl, the way I'm looking at you, you want to do one Rahim move. Ha! Hey, so come on, Oyolisa teenager. Are you sure it's Oyolisa you're going to? This girl? You, Okweni.
That's the color.
Papa.
I hope they are 18 number. Right?
Yes, Papa.
Put them here. Then give me the phone. I'm going to appease the gods.
Papa, let me follow you.
Mbano, you cannot follow me to the shrine of Ozukampu. You have no business there.
Papa, why do you want to appease the gods?
If you are given the head of a dog, what will you do with the jaw? You are still too young to understand the enormous task of the custodian of Emumeji and the guardian of his age.
Papa, I am your first son. Make me understand.
Trees bear flowers before they bear fruits. You have to understand the ancestral origin of Nkesi before you know why he has to be appeased. Eh? Let me go. Let me go. I'm coming.
Mama Kanya, I gotta go kwamo. Can you grind this thing? Hey. Hi, good afternoon. Oh, fine girl. Hey, What can I do for you?
Yes, ma. I'm looking for SAG. Is he around?
SAG?
Yes, ma.
He is around. Come on, here. Let me call him for you. Wow, but you have a beautiful visitor here. You have a beautiful visitor here. Yeah.
SAG, good afternoon.
Nah, look after her, eh? Make her very comfortable. Hey.
I thought I asked you to come with your friend.
Yes, but they refused to come. They said they are not interested. That's why I'm even here late.
So what's your name?
My name is Chioma Mbanefu.
And where are you from?
I'm from Osile.
Ah, Osile Dikeh.
Yes.
No wonder you look sharp.
Is it too much? SAG, my hair logana. SAG, please, I want you to take me to Lagos. I just want to be your friend.
You want to be my friend and you want to follow me to Lagos?
Yes.
You don't have a problem then. It's people like you that Lagos is looking at.
Hey, the Kamaka. Hey, SAG, my hair loga. I took a make an hour.
For what?
I'm name matter everything. Okay, I got my father. When I'm done now, I'm going to as well. Alright. Yeah, one.
Your car here, Abi? SAG don't become your new car park.
Jumbo, how is it your business? What it concern in my matter? Car is my own. Anywhere I like, I park. Where he hungry me, I park am. Na my own. If SAG has hungry me, I carry and go. It no concern you. They hear me. I be like this one. Now it be your problem. Mind your business. I don't want you. And next time, don't ever try to stop me.
Come on, make I tell you one thing. Before me, I go start to mind my own business. You go first mind your own business. Don't tell me, say, you don't carry your contraband you reach for where SAG dey. Make I tell you this thing. Make you not go commit sacrilege. Make you not allow our chief priest catch you. Come bend your mouth. Because if he catch you, your life don't finish. I don't tell you.
Now your mama wey carry her lower dichotomy go give Wafima wey be your papa. Now in Ozu Kampo the chief priest go catch. See, if you don't get out of my way now, I'm gonna just target a biscuit. Or the go here make issue.
Come. You dey talk to me? Don't look this height, See,
Mama, why does brother Juice mother feel so proud? I hate that woman.
Why would she not feel proud, my daughter? As the only SAG of Inumeji in our village. She's a proud woman, so arrogant. Everybody knows her.
Before Uncle, so what? Is that why she cannot give us part of the goat you gave to them? Or can she and her son finish a whole goat?
Everybody knows that they cannot finish that big goat that I bought. But who are we? What will she give us? We don't deserve it. She has given to those who she feels deserve the goat. But us, I know about the black carrot. I know how much I bought the goat.
Even the brother Jude of 18, he was pretending as if he was sorry, but he was not sorry. He cannot even tell his mother to give us some of the goat parts.
No, don't worry. You don't need to complain. You don't need to complain, my daughter. I know how much I bought that goat at Afigo market. I know how much I spent. No problem. As for that woman, hey, trust me now, you know your mother.
I trust you, Mama.
I have set a trap for her. I have set a dangerous trap. And very soon, okay, come by me here. She will enter into my trap. Then I will dish her the blessing of her.
Whatever trap you have set for Mama Jude, it will not catch her. Mama, whatever plans you have, it will not manifest.
Get away, you, my friend. Come on, get away. Your mates are in school studying, and you are here eating my food for nothing. Okay?
Mama, I don't know why you simply hate Mama Jude for nothing. But you are teaching Chile bad things. Chile, stop fooling.
Hey, stop fooling! Hey, don't come here again. Mama, warn him, warn him.
If I call your name again, give me no fear. Chile, what will happen if I call your name? Like mother, like daughter.
Like father, like son.
Chineye, remember I keep gossiping with Mama. Your mates are already in the university and polytechnics, and you are here worrying yourself in pity.
Just leave my daughter alone for me. Look at this boy.
Leave her alone for me, Nolia.
Stupid boy. No. Don't mind him. Don't just mind him one bit. Though you have failed your jam 3 times. Eh? This time I run off. Get it?
Oh, Mama.
Don't worry, I still don't worry. Some of your mates are still in the Monica Secondary School now. Eh? You can admission. Don't worry, up here.
My mate not still in secondary school.
Hey, some Monica's now, no. Some of them are there. Eh?
I know I'm still small. I know I'm still a small girl.
Up here. You will pass, very soon.
No, I still have an assignment in the village.
Nah.
You know I hold a traditional position in the village.
No.
So once I'm done with the assignment, nobody's making me an Igwe, shut up. Once I'm done with the assignment, I'll be on my way back. And you, that stuff, just take care of it and let me know, yeah? Okay, now bye-bye. All right, bye.
No. That girl that came to look for you, she is beautiful. What a killing one up now. If you come na cha. Nkiru de kuya. Imanina like good.
Mama, because why is it because she's fair? Or maki no the ocha. Mana beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Just leave her first.
Na biko. Onu onye ko obu.
Osini abu nwa ichie mbanefo ndi osile.
Mbanefo osile nka. Nna nye ejebegokwa.
Makagem.
Let us go and ask after her.
Why?
Your uncle gave you 1 week to get married. You know.
Mama, I don't like this thing about 1 week. So because my uncle gave me 1 week to get married, that's why I should be stampeded into any girl that comes my way.
No, I don't understand. I don't understand you.
Mama, all I'm asking for is just give me a little time. Me and you know that he has said I must marry before I go back to Lagos. Leave me, let me find the wife at my own time and in my own way. Yes, ma'am.
So
Mama, we shouldn't be quarreling about this. The guy here is DNA, so just relax.
Relax, give
me some time.
I will stay alive. Since my future. In a cookie soap. Where I am a soap. January 1. Nonsense.
That's market. Before the man gachas now, prices were just going up. I'm sure my mother will be waiting for me. I have to
a lot of things.
Now, if you didn't do like that, you won't get good price. Hey, good afternoon, Ezeji.
Good afternoon, Ezeji.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah. What is that your name again, please?
Uju.
Ujunwa or Bianuju?
Uju, but I also like to be called Ujunwa.
Nema, what of you? What's your name?
Me? My name is Oge Chikamu.
Which means God time is the best.
Thank you.
I like that name. Your friends of Chioma that I asked to come over to the house with her the other day, you didn't come. Why?
I'm so sorry. It escaped my mind.
I had a drum to fill with water, so I went to Obenkis.
So when am I going to see you girls again?
Tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
No. I'm going to the farm tomorrow.
Okay then, maybe I'll see you people after church on Sunday.
After church? Do you go to church? I would like to come and see you on Sunday.
Okay. You have a great day.
Okay. Bye-bye, Ezeji.
Ugi. I'm beginning to like him.
You're beginning to like him. If Chioma catches you, she will bite your ear off. Huh? You want to look for her trouble? So you don't know she has even gone to visit the Ezeji?
Which one? That Chioma? That Baza Queen? Sometimes I think we're not supposed to be friends with that girl. Yes, Baza Queen is too much.
Let's go.
What is holding this girl now? What kind of nonsense market that she went since morning? Hi! Oh, she will not kill me in this house. She must have gone to her friend's house now to go out. Mama, I'll get you. Ma, what have I got you? Eh? What have you been doing in the market since morning?
I wasn't doing anything in the market too. I wasn't doing anything. Oh. Hey, Ibiakwa. I was only buying pala so that I can get good price. You don't have to buy pala to get good price. When we go to Oyo Olisa, don't you buy pala? You buy pala to get better price now. Yeah. If you want to go see Awaka, I want to go see Awaka. Come give me the bag. I want to change your pattern. Yeah, because we are changing the way. Change. Maybe suppose this is go since morning. Yaki kuba moto sense. Okuna funa. Boso ozo mbata ka ibia wolu.
Ha, Choma.
Now go check me out now. If run and the hot and sexy, eh?
Nah. Choma, it's not that you just said it. You really look hot.
Yes.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you. Emma, SAG's wife is supposed to be very hot and so sexy. Only one chill boys. Guys, Ghana.
Choma Chusky. You're really welcome, my dear.
Ago, this name you just called me, you just persist me. Ibalela bread, man. Ay, now go kai ban inside now. After I went swag the feet. I ban inside now. Let's take one man. Don't go this in front.
Choma, this one man that you talked about, I like it, and I would want to have it. But you can see I'm busy. Can I make your girls some other time, eh? Yeah.
Ago, where is Mama?
Oh, Mama no, but she's over there. She's farming.
Nah, leave
How's this your what are their names again? If Uju and Oge, how are they?
Ago, stop asking me about those useless girls now, eh? I've told you time without number. We are not in the same class. Those girls we're all class now. Can't you see?
I can see. I can really see.
Ago, leave this thing you're doing now. Baliano now. Get me something, eh? Chorani babe, get something now. Get me something, eh? I'm going to Ghana set. Or Ghana, no.
Unoma.
Hi, Nani.
I was even going to thank God you're here.
I'm here, Nani. Dalo, no.
If Obinna was not my late brother's son, I wouldn't have bothered. Because the only help I can render to a woman screaming in the concubine's bedroom is to peep through the keyhole. But let me ask you, how many times does a plantain tree give birth?
Once. Also,
good.
Once.
Good. If Obinna forces the gods to withdraw the sacred position of this family,
God forbid,
he will have me to contend with. I gave him 1 week, which has ended. I will give him another week of grace.
Thank you.
Bravery and cowardice are two opposite sisters. Wisdom and ignorance, worst enemies. But silence is golden. It is not foolish. Give my message to Obinna.
I will. Nanya, I will.
God.
Obinna. You will not kill me.
I'm not going to carry last. I'm not going to let them do. I must get what I want. That's why I'm trying to just...
Obinna! Your uncle, the message he gave me for you.
I'm at the same trauma that the other day you were telling me that you need that.
Yes, man. I'm Chifumbane's first daughter. Mommy on swag now.
Swag? If I have one way. Chaluko. Hey! Kadamon Hotel can once where they bewitch my son.
But you were the person that the other day you encouraged me to.
Only Kisi Kadamon Hotel. You are just coming from Kadamon Hotel. If I have Shamo one way, I shall never break the cable. Akwe, Wilekwe. Chalo. Never come up with a new. Otwani Asu Fakfulu. DJ. What's Azia for Benina? When I chuma. This girl is useless. Bolala. What's her name? Bolike. What's her name? Olafa. Iyakoto. I'll get in after. Hey. Maka.
Mama, you're going to hurt yourself because you are the person that the other day you were encouraging me to.
Did I know no be na basket na pan na leziele? I didn't know. You forgot, Mama. But you were inside with her.
Mama, I was always pushing her out when.
No, you were following her like this. I saw you. I follow Mono. I can't dinner. Hey, okay for you. If not for the respect I have for tradition and the fact that you're the SAG of Obunike. I come on, to see Eze Obosalonani. Come papa yo. Let me just tell you, Okro, Ada Konya Kolia. I have a message from your uncle Uchendu. Also, that he's giving you 1 more week of grace to settle down. Oboni Media, a Kosinge, venting to your camera.
Is this pressure that you people are putting on me? That's why.
Which pressure, John? If we fight, Konya Chen, the bell, the beer until in 1 wine. In 1 wine, if any nana, you may be too sick. Nonsense.
I don't understand this. What is this now? Eh? What kind of pressure is this? Eh? What kind of tradition is this? Whether you people like it or not, I must find a wife to marry by my own self, at my own time. Tradition.
Make it safe for me. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine. Where are you going?
I'm taking a walk.
Okay. You're about to walk?
I'll see you.
Come on, look.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. This age. This one you're sitting here all alone. I hope all is well.
No. I'm just sitting to observe nature And the town that I've left for a very long time too.
Oh.
How is your friend, Chioma?
Oh, Chioma. Chioma is fine. She's fine. No, she should be at home.
Please, can you do me a favor?
More? Favor?
Yes.
Do you a favor? AJ. Anything. Hey! Anything.
Please, help me call her.
Saucia?
Yes.
My mother sent me on an errand. But I will quickly do that for you. I'll call Chioma for you then. Oh, Campo Bafika.
Okay. Please come. Or your full name, Ogechuku Kama.
Yes.
I like that name.
Thank you.
And I think you are the woman destined to be my wife. Yes. As a matter of fact, I want to marry you.
Hey! Hey!
What did I say? What did I do?
Ogechi, what is it? Why are you running like this?
Tell Ezeji that I said no. Tell Nancy Lempa.
Hey! All the kapiagi aya oh. Hey! Ndo wadi wanjo. Hey, what is wrong now? Oh. Hey! Nka joka arakwa.
What is this? Hey, just now, guys, what's the meaning of this? Okay, just stand up. Don't do this. Okay, just don't do this. Okay, just stand up. Okay, just stand up. Who is that? Okay. Because you're going to please don't do this to me. Okay, don't do this to me. What the? Okay. Thank you. Get it? What is it? Send us a lambo. Hey! You know what? What did he do to you now? What's the meaning of this? What did he do to you? Hey! I need to somebody should come now. What is that? It's okay now. It's okay. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. I will tell Ejeji. I will tell him.
Ishe, good evening.
The vulture has no business with the barber. Two agama lizards cannot dwell in the same territory. Say what you want to say and get out of my compound.
Ishe, I've just come to say that I'm sorry for all the troubles.
If you are here to be sorry for yourself, get back to your father's compound and don't disturb me again.
It's just that I wanted to just tell you that I have seen a girl that I want to marry.
Say that again. You've seen somebody, eh?
Yes, sir. I have seen a girl that I want to marry.
That's good news. Is that so? So, where is the girl and where is she from?
She's from Ifite. She's the daughter of late Chief Ilane. And the mother I hear is called Wando.
Oh, Ilane. Yes. Ilane was one of the best men in Ifite. Yes, and I also know the wife.
I have not met the mother actually, but I got all the information I needed from Wando. from Jumbo.
Okay, Jumbo. Jumbo Nwadiane Obunike.
Yes.
Bu Obunike Nisi.
That's right.
Oh, that's good. That's very good. You see, that one though trained all her children very well. So you are in safe hands. Yes. Okay. I think we can go for her on our market day.
Yes. Okay.
We go.
Thank you.
Yes. So tomorrow, see me. I will give you some money to support what you have.
Hey.
Yeah.
I'm very grateful.
No.
Thank you very much.
You don't need to thank me. It's my duty. Especially now that you have proved to be the son of your father. Yes. It's all right. So see me tomorrow. Obi, the son of his father. You will live long. That's very
What is it? Is he around?
What happened?
My sister.
Mama, good evening. I hear you're looking for me.
Yes, I'm looking for you.
Odokoma.
My son, I'm Wando. Ogechi's mother from Ifite village. Please, do you know Ogechi, my daughter?
Of course I do.
Thank God. Did you do anything to her?
Me? No. I only told her that I would love to marry her.
Hey! Obunike Namo! That is the problem.
Which problem?
One name wine. My daughter came back yesterday and fainted on my feet. Faint. It took the grace of God for me to be able to revive her. All she was saying at the end of the day was, tell Ezeji to leave me alone. Tell Ezeji to leave me alone. I don't understand.
Oh, this in Ezeji. Hey, Nangam, he gets you, Jfite, to go and assure the young girl. Imana there's a in authority. Imagine this same thing happened to me when your father Kadibo proposed to me. Oh, when I come here and dapple 2 days, I am naked. I'm on me fan. Hey! Oh, na.
Please, let me commend you for having brought up your daughter very well. It is not easy. However, let me quickly go and change into a longer trouser, then I'll go with you.
Thank you, Nene. Have you heard?
Heard what?
Nah, Ezeji don't pour me for granted. Ezeji awolam nala. Tom naja. God.
How you take for your hand?
Guy where I don't arrange myself finish, conclude say I been wife. Left me, just to throw him like this, throw round nala. Do you know who he chose? Ogechi, Mweko Ogechi.
Chama, well, let me even ask you. Who do you think you are? Eh? Who do you think you are? You think everything revolves around you. So you think you are a god that will make all the whole men in this community dance after you too. You know the shame saying that you they beg my men marry you. You know, get single shame for your body.
This one and your matter. Keep on to yourself.
Okay.
Come to think of it, that Ezeji of Obunike is not supposed to marry anyhow girl. It's supposed to be beautiful girl. Correct. Well dressed. Can't you see me? Well dressed girl. Not Mbeke like Ogechi. That girl ain't wear class now.
Wear class. Mana Ezeji has chosen her over you. Wear class. Kwalage. Wanagi gogo nana. Because the classless Ogechi, like you always call her, is the bride to Ezeji. So if you like, go and kill yourself. Or better still, hold on.
And that is all you have to say?
What do you want me to say?
Just that?
What do you want me to say? So, wait, you think I do not hear the way Ezeji's mom pushed you? Dust. They pushed you and swept you out of the house. My dear, if you want to take my own candid advice, if you like, continue dressing like a prostitute.
Jesus!
Wait, what am I even saying? Hey, Chidi. Wait, you're wearing a long skirt now. I'm well dressed today now. I'm Kishe dressing.
Wait. Are you trying to insult me or something?
I've already insulted
because I came to your house. Are you mad?
Hey,
what is wrong with you? How can you call me a prostitute? You know me or what? You know me or Chola? Do your what? Do your what? You that thing you know me too. Are you mad? Am I mad? Why would you talk to me like that?
I will run the American pancake. Papa, let me deal with this guy. Why the guy too much? Papa, let me. Wow! Let me deal with that. Papa, let me.
Mama, Ezeji, because of you. That is why I'm going through this. I will not stop, I beg. I must get to the end of it. I must get to the end. Ija, I'm gonna have you.
Don't be for it's your vision. Run!
I didn't anything inside you.
Don't be too patient.
Which visitor is that one? Which visitor is that one?
Choma! Jesus! Choma! What happened to this number one digital girl what we get for this village? Say your body dirty. Choma, what happened to your body now?
Jumbo, how many times did I call you? I no get your time, oh. Just try and mind your business, so you dey hear me? I no get your time, I beg.
Choma, sorry, yeah? I go sing this music for you. Loser, oh, loser. Loser, oh, loser. Loser, oh, loser. Loser, you know go kill me, oh, loser. I don't get your time. I don't get your time.
I really need your help. This is what you want to one person time. I'm part of this family too. Baby. On your wrong boy, you know that song. You are always there. Who's also so you're back for the
Mama, I had to. Yes, Baba.
I'm fine. We're going to the farm. Your brother has gone to your uncle's house.
Oh, okay.
And remember, he's usually saying,
I'll go and see him. Mama.
How about you, Sianya? Come on, look out.
for some reason. I don't know why the Obunike boys have not seen her. You know, when I have to if you are only here, then you're more.
Ishe, honestly, I don't want you to be upset. The way you want this traditional marriage to be is looking too expensive.
Listen to me. We did not invite people during the introduction.
I know.
So let the whole Obunike know that this age of Obunike is getting married.
But it's going to cost a lot.
Mbano. You see, the Mbamano family is a great family. So, Anga doesn't a mado. My name is Momo. My palm oil mill is doing very well. Ichie Uchendo is not a poor Ichie. And your father was not poor. So whether your business in Lagos is doing well or not, your marriage must make a statement in this town.
Mana, Ichiro no come memory why just small.
I supported you during the introduction, isn't it? Now I want to ensure that the marriage of my late brother's son is a success.
Okay, it's okay, but after the traditional marriage, don't forget that there is also the white wedding.
You see, Aqua! Shut up your mouth! How dare you? This age of Obunike. How can you reason through your anus by thinking of a church wedding? Let me tell you, church was what the white man brought to calm us down while stealing our resources. Yes.
Uncle.
Hey, Adamato. They don't call me uncle. That is the white man's creation. Call me Ichie. I cannot be Vembo.
Yes. Okay, Ichie. Good afternoon.
I know you have come for your brother's bank, isn't it? Oh, well done. Well done, eh? I'm still expecting Chinedu.
Oh.
I don't know why he's not here.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, Brother Jude, how is everything? Tell me, how are you preparing?
We are preparing well. Eh? This is why we are in a meeting. Yes.
Oh, okay. In that case, let me go inside and greet Mama Chinedu and Chinedu.
It's all right, my daughter. Well done, eh?
Okay.
I got the care. My dear, I also invited the whole Ebumeji group.
You see all of them?
Yes. Hey, but relax. I will take care of their food and drinks.
Everything that all of them will eat.
Don't bother.
Hey, it's here. Thank you very much.
Before I forget, let me wear up so that we go to the bank.
Okay,
Wait!
I wish my uncle will understand. You just transfer this money to me so that I can use it for something very important like business.
Very beautiful. Oh, check it out. Look at this dress.
Hey,
have you seen it? I am going to look kulukulele. Hey, Ogana, what's Hey, how are you?
Fine, man.
Welcome, my daughter. Hey, Dikeh, as Uju, she has collected her ship.
Did you hear what Mama said?
Hey, Mama, I forgot.
You forgot?
Okay, yeah. I'm sorry, I forgot. But the tailor asked me to come this afternoon.
This afternoon? What are you doing here?
Baba, no. Gonna what that day. I've not seen Chioma. That your friend. She didn't come to help you out in one or two things. At least
Mama, forget Chioma, Biko.
What happened?
She said her anger is that I'm getting married to the age.
Akokona.
She was eyeing him. She practically carried herself and threw on his age. She forced herself on him.
Hi.
So he weighed the hot. That's and I snatched her.
You mean the liver?
To be.
You are saying the truth.
Ngasili gasi. Do you know what she now said? that Uju and I are bush girls. That she Adam classified. That Uju and I were not classical girls. Nayadiro classical. So let us carry our mboikerism and find something to do with our lives. Didn't I warn you? Didn't I warn you that that girl is a very, very bad girl? Which child from a decent home will be going naked in the village and all eyes will see her? I warn you. Leave her alone. I don't want to be seeing you and her again. I told you. Leave her alone. She's a bad influence. I've heard you. I don't want to see you and her again. Look at it. How is it? Irukazu. Ozugo. Hey. What do you expect now? I'm so happy.
Chikweze, Lubinani, Erumeji, Emumudo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Emumeji, Oganiru, Obidolu na bobo, Chikweze, Lubinani, Emumeji, Emumudo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Emumeji, Oganiru, Obidolu na bobo, Chikweze, Lubinani, Emumeji, Emumudo, Obidolu na bobo. Abianubi, Chikweze, Abianani, Chikweze, Chinebuta for juju, buto biangoli obode bili nudo. Chinebuta for juju, buto biangoli obode bili nudo. Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Emumeji, Oganiru, Obidolu na bobo.
Hey, we're gonna hold on there. Una don't tire to eat and drink. Because me myself, I know say on our next life, when I go like become SAG wife. Oh. I prefer to get drunk than for me to let thief any here like you. If not lie, open your bag, make I see. You are a thief, come here. Open and make I see.
See your head. Now your head, now you decide now your head.
Come on. You cheapers, you dey see they talk to me. You wanna see what the thief meat? Just meat. You thief am for your bag. If not lie, open and make I see.
You dey craze? You high? Eh?
You see get mind they talk to me. You wanna see why thief my mind?
Who me? Thief my mind? Me?
From with my crocodile I see you. If not lie, open your bag make I see.
Me thief my mind?
So now you dey monitor us, Shay.
No, I'm not gonna monitor you.
So now you be the monitoring spirit when this village, Abi. You see, if I give you no okay, you go there like this thing.
No blame you. You don't talk to me anyhow. Me. You don't talk to me. So you not gonna tell you say man. Person way high. They see those. Hey, rapist. Oh, rapist. No. Rapist.
Mama, you really surprised me today.
Okay, man.
You really surprised me.
Tell me, Enrique.
The way you were dancing. You were dancing kokomba. You danced kukere, and the way you now pick
it's like you're drunk. And if you're drunk, just go in and lie down. Open the door now.
Bonini too much. I'm sure this is what Papa saw in you that made him to marry you.
Open the door. Give her no.
Obina, we really tried though.
I hear.
Hey. Bonini too much.
I forgot nail and money. Come on, my face.
Mama, that your shocky dance step. If anyone had told me that I'll be married to the SAG, I'd have simply told the person that he's Joseph the dreamer.
Because you were the patient one.
Patient one?
Yeah. Don't you know that I know that all your friends, they were all interested in me. And they were doing everything possible to attract my attention. Now let me take them one after the other for you. You see Uju? Uju was subtle with her own attitude. But Chioma, that one, she threw all caution to the wind. She threw herself at me to get my attention, but still it didn't work. But for you, you are totally aloof and unperturbed, as if nothing was happening. You were just yourself.
How was I myself?
Well, I will explain that to you later. The only thing I know, you see that they asked you about Chioma, and you answered to me positively. You caught the cord in me, and I knew you were the one for me. Anyway, let's leave all that for me. Let me at least enjoy my new wife. What is it?
I've not done that thing before.
Are you serious? That at your age you're still... Oh my God! You're my priceless jewel. Give it to me freely. I love you, baby.
Ichie, good afternoon, sir.
Obi. Olia.
I was actually on my way to your house. Yes, sir.
I hope there's no problem. I was going to my oil mill at Nkwele Zunaka.
It's just to let you know, since I have completed the task that you gave to me, that I will be going back to Lagos to continue with my daily struggle on making ends meet.
So, when are you leaving?
The day after tomorrow, on Wednesday, sir.
Okay. Will you be going with your wife?
Not this time. I thought it wise to leave her behind with my mother while I go back and sort out things. You know, the place has to be convenient for her to stay as a woman. You know, women now.
You see, one of the reasons why I wanted you to get married was for your mother Norma to have company. Since your sister is still in school.
But Ishe, to tell you the truth, it's not my intention to get married and leave my wife in the village for a very long time. Once I settle down, I'll come and carry her.
Yes. But before you settle down, then your sister must have finished as to keep your mother company. And they be quite well, I know can you leave. Sorting out things might take a year or more. But all the same, see me tomorrow before you leave.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. Let me proceed to Nkwele Zunaka. To my oil mill.
Okay. Ijama.
Greet your mother for me.
I will, sir. Okay.
Obi.
Aisha.
Please now. Don't do this now. Please try and be strong. See, I'm not going to go forever. We need to train our children. My love, just look into my eyes. You see, this thing you're doing is breaking my heart. Please come. Because please, my love. I'm sorry. No. Please come. Please, don't worry now. Stop doing this. I will soon come back, and I will always call you. Please, just give me the bag.
I understand how you feel. When I know your shoes, I'll feel the same way. It will be okay. He said he will call you and he will come back. My son does not lie. I know he will do all that.
Let me give her some money too. But you hold this one. Let me use this one for transport. It's now.
I'm going to happen. Neko jebezia o akuko jebe jebe uze teka na nya ngwa jebe ko gali bezi jebe ko bedebe one cardio
ma bogo
on a to start up lu anya debe nya be fele mbo maka.
Chinenya.
Papa.
I am a traditionalist. But I know the importance of education. The Chinese and Indians go to school, but they do not give up their culture and tradition. The secondary school you have attended is getting you swollen-headed that you don't know how to respect your elderly ones. Is disrespect part of our culture?
No, Papa, it's not.
Good. Why didn't you greet Ezeji when he came here in the morning? I forced your mother to attend his marriage, and you went to your maternal home on that day. I wanted you to be like Adoka Debo, but you don't want to be like her. She knows that your mother does not like her mother, yet she comes here to greet your mother each time she comes back from school. Forget higher education.
Papa,
you will go and learn sewing.
Papa, I will change. Papa, I'm sorry. Okay, I will change now. Just give me some time, I will change.
Say that to the winds. I cannot waste my money on a child who has vowed to be a black sheep in my family.
Papa, I will change.
You go and learn sewing.
Okay, if you don't want to send me to the university, I will leave that food on the fire. You go and bring it down yourself. You come and carry it down yourself. I'll leave it there.
You see what we're talking about? See how irresponsible she is.
Ebe kachina ya wata clear develo ifan bikonu. Enna chali an ebeni. Carry fago.
Nothing, don't ask me nothing.
But you are not getting my money.
Now listen to me. You have fetched ants infested firewood. Get ready for the visit of the lizards. A farmer that sows rotten crops can never have bountiful harvest.
No, I don't understand all this.
You are not too old to go back to Azobunike. Time is timing you, and I will soon strike. Listen. Tonight, let nobody prepare my food. I will cook it myself.
What have you done?
I did not do anything, Mama. I did not do anything. Mama did not do anything. I did not do anything. Mama did not do anything alone. Ask him, I did not do anything. I did not do anything.
What is it? Kenkin Bello weeping as if you've already lost my son. Eh?
Mama Ezeji is my husband. We just got married. Oh, we abandoned one more to her. Oh, God, they come also. On a phone, they pay no be.
But he promised he would call me. If you want to call on that.
Mama, phone on Mado. Phone on Mado. One age, they tell the phone to hold me.
Mama, care fella one. Oh, your phone, Nata, Chacha Punya be fella. Ebezina, Mama, Ebezina. Let's go inside. I have a story to tell you. Story. I want to tell you something inside. Bia, on my friend, get up. Hey, take here, see, no, Gula, one, eh, baby, eh, you see what I said? You are broke, I see. Wow,
oh boy. Yes, sir. So they finally allowed you to come back to Lagos.
Get out. Who was that?
Iya Wonko.
My brother, she's fine. She's with my mom.
Boys, has you fresh.
Is this what you call fresh? If you know the amount of wahala that is in that village, you pity me.
It's good to marry you.
You go and marry your own now.
That's you fresh.
Go and marry too.
Do that.
It matter.
You don't change.
Thank God I must be to make it back up because if you know how difficult it is for you to go to your village and you see problems that you can't solve.
Hey, you were saying something about one title.
One bar. I have to catch it. Come on, it's going to. Chukodalo is ringing. Ha! Obinna. Kedu, how was your trip, eh? You arrived safely. Chukwalokana. Ha, Namo. Oniano. I'm doing my best. I am trying to calm her down. I have an advice for you. From a mother to a son. Imanib is a married man now. That is what in your channel we're married man. Igadi, you have to be very careful in Lagos because of Lagos girls. Anom nafane bu fire on their head, moving around looking for fine men like you. Biko nwam, chirumayo. It's okay. No look off, ma. Be very careful. And Biko, try and call Okiji. You know go? Obinna. Ngwako this your credit, ma abugo. Bye bye. Obinna. Obinnie, oi favor. Okay, Chi. Oh, better go come here. Okay, no.
Hello. What?
Hey! Fire!
Where?
Fire is rising down Balogu market. Hey! They said it's getting down to Mandela.
Our business.
Hey!
My fire! My business.
Fire!
No. How do I start all over again? How?
Jude, are you not a man? Judo Bigaka? Huh?
It's okay now.
3 years ago, during when we na Jos, Obromwadia. Huh? By special grace of God, you still recover back. Please. Huh? Biko, be a man of yourself. Jude. Biko. Jude. Okay, Biko.
understand.
But you won't kill yourself. Are you going to kill yourself?
No.
It's okay. It's alright.
After 4 years of being a job seeker.
There's a reason for everything in life. Maybe God is preparing something big for you.
Oh, you're doing it.
It's okay.
Oh, do
It's okay.
I'm not happy with you. Stop smiling there. Stop looking at me. I'm just angry with you. You left for 1 month. 1 good month. I didn't see you.
Just village things now. You know the tradition.
Go away. I hope they didn't marry a girl for you there. You dare not try.
Which one? Which one is that?
They shouldn't try to.
Everything is wife.
You shouldn't try to.
Gojo.
In fact, I don't even know why I'm talking to you. I have a good news for you, but I'm not going to tell you.
Why not?
Beg me.
Okay, please.
Say please.
I will even need that if you want me to. I tell you that. Please tell me.
You really want to hear?
Yes.
Oh, goodness. I'm pregnant for you. You can't believe it. For real, yes. I'm not joking.
I'm giving you only 1 week. 1 week to get married. Else, you will know that the dwelling of the man who in the swamp does not make it a crocodile.
I'm not going to go forever. Eh? Okay. We need to train our children. My love, just look into my eyes. You see, this thing you're doing is breaking my heart. Eh?
You have to be very careful in Lagos because of Lagos girls. I'm on a funny fire on their head, moving around looking for fine men like you.
Sweetheart. What's the matter? You think I'm joking?
How? When? Why? Why?
What do you mean how? When? You still think I'm joking? Let me tell you what happened. After 3 days, I left your house, I think, yes, 3 days after I left your house, I started feeling very, very feverish. I wasn't myself. I thought it was malaria at first. I rushed down to the hospital and I told doctor, please, I'm scared malaria. The doctor just did a test and came back and said, oh, congratulations, baby, you're pregnant. Oh my goodness, I screamed, I was happy. I ran down here, but you were nowhere to be found. William said to me, you don't go village. Look, it's our baby and we're expecting. I'm not joking, I'm serious. Baby, what's the matter with you?
Oh, let me piss.
Sweetheart. Baby.
Please.
What nonsense are you telling me? What nonsense are you saying to me? Oh, so that joke I was saying is true.
Yes, but it's just that I got married under duress. It's not something I wanted to do. And it doesn't affect the way we affect for each other.
God punish you! God punish you under duress, my fool! So you went to your village to marry a girl from your tribe. And now you come back to Lagos to tell me, oh, Boogie, I love you. And you expect me to believe you. You're just a wicked man. A wicked man. I'm going to show you.
I'm sorry, see, please. This is the time that I need you more. Look at our businesses that just got bought.
That is just the beginning. That is just the beginning. I am no more interested in this relationship. I don't want to love you again. It's over between me and you. And I'm going to abort the baby.
No, please, I beg you. Thank you, please, don't let this affect us, please. Don't do this to that bundle of joy, please.
Why are you so wicked?
I beg you, please forgive me,
Yeah.
Nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Roger, please come. I have not set my eyes on Buki this morning.
It's like she has gone out.
Eh? Gone to where? Oh, Runke. Let her not fall into the hands of ritualists again. Runke, why are you doing like this now? You knew this girl is going out. You could not stop her. Eh? Oh, call her line for me. Call her line. I want to talk to her. Call her line. No. Call it.
Go. Oh, Shasha, no. Be patient. Don't let her give you hypertension.
Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀?
It's like her line is not going.
Hey! Her line is not going where? Sweet? Oh, okay. I can't take this. Let me call the commissioner of police. I will call the commissioner.
Wait now.
Wait for what now?
Take it easy. Any sorrow, be patient now. Take it easy.
And let me call the commissioner of police now. Let me explain to you.
I keep on telling you, don't let this girl kill you. She won't give you hypertension. John Tori or long or come you.
I cannot take.
Allow this girl to kill you.
No, I will not take this again. No.
Please, don't call the commissioner. Let's be patient. Wait. By noon, if I don't hear from her, then I'll call you. Then you can now take any action you want to take.
Keep my worry, Abi. Okay, don't even bother. I will call you. But pray that girl comes back before I come. Otherwise, my food will come. I don't know why you should be behaving like this. You know that girl and you allow her to go out. That is better.
Daddy, good evening, sir. I'm good seeing you.
That stunt you pull in the morning. If you try it again, you will know why they call me Otuma Fashola Badmus.
Daddy, what is this now? What is this now? And you and mommy, you're always difficult in this house. What have I done?
Will you shut up your mouth? Be careful of yourself. I'm warning you now. If you want to taste my high-handedness, then pull that stupid act again. The man fi ye pe eyin taja fi nbo me sere o no fi ngeje. So gbo mi. You do mo lọ sí school go pass. Ogbegbe ló ti graduate o si wa nbe. Sorry o. I'm warning you for the last time.
Am I the only one? How does it frustrate me this house? Did I choose husband for my mommy? Or did anybody choose mommy for you? Why can't you let me be? Let me be now. My head.
The Airtel number you dialed is switched off. Send a mini call for 10 naira to the called party. Sorry, the MTN number you are trying to call is not...
What's the meaning of this now? I can't get her on the phone. And the house is a no-go area for me. God. God, please, don't let anything happen to our baby. God, please. I don't even want her to be hurt. God. What kind of trouble is this? See? God, what is this?
Oh, Mama, phone and a ring, but he's not picking his call.
Maybe he's not close to his phone. Or not a phone here, so.
Mama, TSAG left here since 1 noon and he didn't even call me. Call to say your day pick the call, yeah?
Okay, when I take Fiji, something important must be holding him. Let's say, Jenny. Yeah? Oh, yeah, Nenya welo kita.
Oh mango na agụ.
Mama na welo ajuzi nnedi. Angwali ofu egwu. Egwu anga na agụ na-aza nda. Ngokwonya. Si nda
nne.
Si nda
nda.
Onye nda nunu.
Nda.
Onye
nda.
Ogechi.
Nda.
Inyamu jiginda nda bona jiginda nda. Ogechi. Amagwa mudi nwa nke na-emelụ m na kwara mama na-ede ABC na ya welo. Welo, ha? Ine lote di na-emeso nwa. Hey.
We pick it.
Ngwanya ni a break, ni some break. Nyamu jiginda nda bona jiginda.
I'm not just in the mood at all. I'm so traumatized. I'm even confused as it is right now.
I don't even know what my life means anymore. How could we have lost everything to that fire incident? A business we opened barely 5 months ago. After being job seekers for 4 years.
Hi. But wait, what kind of ill luck is this? No, tell me. Because I don't understand it. First it was the fire. The next one, Buki. Hi!
I thought luck had shown on us. When instead of going out with Buki, God using you to protect me from rain. Now, where am I?
Can you imagine? Me of all person, the SAG.
No! Don't go there. Please don't mention that name here, that title again.
Why?
SAG, tell me, what have you achieved with that title, SAG? Jude, this house, woman rental, put you. The business where fire don't chop, woman contributed your own part. Tell me.
See, look, I tell you, don't provoke me, if not I will.
I bet shut up, I mean you want pass maga for. When we were in school, I know what you. I mean because you put me for this shelter. Now this SAG, make you go marry when you never dey ready. Leaving you miserable. See, I'm a Benin guy. I will don't leave you, jump, enter ship. If I don't enter Italo, I will enter Spain. There's no condition I cannot survive.
Okay.
Mommy, Mama, you
look at you, look at you. Pokola, please, my darling, drop me. Take care of yourself very well.
And take your daddy. Be of good behavior. Don't give him wala.
What for me wala? My phone ever.
Oh, daddy cannot beat me. You are so sure of yourself. Yes. Okay, take care of yourselves, both of you. No trouble.
Love you.
Pussy ciao. Love you. Plenty.
Not my baby party to go so for
No, I won't. Okay, Pecky.
No, it's me.
Love you.
Take care.
Plenty.
Bye.
Bye.
Take it easy, boy. Drive gently, A few hours step. The mom will be in London.
Amen.
Please get me cold.
Very cold one.
Yeah, very cold.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Cold water.
Yeah, very cold. Buki! Taju! Buki! Don't do this to me now. Taju!
Mama, what is it now? Why are you dragging me here?
See, you know Mama Nkechi now. She's around. I don't want her to hear what we are saying. You know she talks too much. Cho. Hey, tell me.
I don't know what is going on. This is not the life I planned. If anything about I'm confused.
My daughter, it's not only you that is confused here. It's not only you that is confused here. I am more confused. I myself am more confused than you. It's just that I am trying to hold myself. The worst part of it is that his line is not going. You cannot even get him on phone. Mother didn't want to on a phone. What is all this?
Imokona, the first 5 days we got married were my best days. I'm not just yet. I don't know what is going on. How do I explain this kind of thing?
My daughter, see, please, just take it easy. Take it easy. I know things will change. See, my happiness is that the mother is a very, very nice woman. I know things will change. If not for her, by now, I
will think up, I will think down, I will think middle, I will think everywhere. You see now, when my head wants to split in two.
It's okay. I said it's okay. Oh, okay, Chiche. Okay, Chiche. Take it easy. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. Just take it easy. Let's go inside now. Let's go inside. Take it easy. Everything will be okay.
Hello? Good evening, Chief Otumba. Yes, sir. That's exactly why I was calling you, sir. The result from the test conducted on her shows that she's 6 weeks pregnant. Yes, sir. You know, I was just waiting for your instruction. That's why I called you. Oh, sir, whatever you want me to do, it will be my pleasure doing it, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry now, boss me up. Where is Bookie?
Sir, since when you carry and go hospital, I never see her and she never come back out.
You mean Bookie has not entered this house today?
Then listen.
Ah.
Sir,
Yeah? No vessel if I ask you this question. How person wey no fit use im leg comot go hospital go take come back inside house, come enter inside house?
Odi Oga, say me no make Europe. Come go to olórí burúkú. Ṣé tí mo rán ẹni ẹ? Olóṣì. This girl switch off her line. All right. Bọ́bọ̀ ló dàgbà jù ní o. Bí gorilla ni o, a sọ fún mi. If it is monkey that is senior to gorilla, she will tell me. I will deal with her.
Hello, ẹ̀gbọ́n Jude. Brother Jude. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ni. Can you hear me now? Come now, she's here. She's sleeping now. No. I won't tell you I come off why now. No, me the she bear, me the No. Ẹ má bọ̀. Ẹ ṣe kíákíá o. Fast, be coming now. Okay. Hold up. Kí ló fẹ́ jẹ? Ṣé eat rice? Wàá mu juice?
Mi ò fẹ́ lóko nǹkan rùn sí mi. I'm not happy at all.
Alright, I know you are angry. Mo mọ̀ pé inú ń bí ẹ, mo mọ̀. But you still love this guy. You want to stay with him even at the risk of exams. Olóba àgbélé ni now. Ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ni.
Let me see you understand. What have I not done for this guy? Kí ni mi ò ṣe fún tán? Hear me see. I've sacrificed a lot for him.
Alright, I understand more than you think. Oh, you jù báyẹn lọ now. You owe this guy your life. He saved you. And you love him. Ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ ni. Mama sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ìfẹ́ ló fà. Ìfẹ́ ni.
Hear me see. I will so show this guy. I will so show him.
You came to my house. Welcome, Ekabo.
No, not exactly. I was passing by your street, so I said let me come and see so that you can plead on my behalf. Dikeh, please, I'm sorry. It's not intentional.
Ọmọ tó ṣàn. Ọmọọlá, má má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, dáríjì, ṣùgbọ́n,
Also, please, you are saying please. What will happen to the girl in the village? What will happen to the village wife that you have?
I'll sort it out, please. Just give me time. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I am sure that if we put our love together, it will form a serious force, then we can be able to fight it, please. Please, for the sake of our baby.
Ìfẹ́ mi, Onyebuno be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you, we're together forever.
I told you. I told you that gorilla is older than the monkey. I'm sure that is the man that got you pregnant.
Sorry, it's not like that, sir.
Officer! Sir! Arrest him.
Akwafi, please.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Yes,
Tomato pepper cook bati fún ẹ. Bati. Dídá. Who did I give you to? You are saying your husband. I'm bati fún ẹ. Let me see. God will shift me. I'm very happy. Thank you very much. God bless you. Just take this and manage it. That's all. Don't say it's small.
I wanted him, but he chose you. I've taken my revenge. What if son me?
Calling all his number, they've ceased it. Oh God. They've not released my love, God. They've not released my love. When are they going to release my love, oh God? His numbers are not going. I'm wanting that wrong. Ìràwọ̀ bí wọ́n lélẹ̀ wọ́n lọ ṣàánú mi. God, please. God, please. Oh God, please. If they can just release my husband, I'll give thanks to you, please. He's a good man. He's a good man. He wants me to keep the baby. What can I do? What can I do, God, please? Only you, God, knows what my love is going through himself. Please help me set him free. You're the only one who hears secret prayers. Oh God, please. He's a good man. He wants my baby. Oh God, please. Jude, Ọlọ́run kí ló dé? Ọlọ́run ẹ jọ̀ọ́, Ọlọ́run ẹ jọ̀ọ́.
Ebe niile jisi oyi otu mmadụ anọkwa ya mmadụ anọpịa oge echi mmadụ anọpịa oge echi asịkwa m ebe niile ejugizi oyi ekwe na ada m nwaanyị What is it?
You're welcome. Where is Ezeji's mother? I hope she's around.
She's not around. She went out.
Why are you doing like this now? You okay?
Oh, Darusi, listen. I'm not feeling.
It's again. Can't go say Maggie.
Let's go inside.
How? Chukwu na opaso funji. Iko kwa. Let's go. Come on, go say Maggie. Odo. How? Chukwu na.
One don't know. If we're going very soon we will become grandmothers.
See, that's good news. But why did Ezeji abandon my daughter? Why is Ezeji with you when Ezeji abandon? Why is it one? Maka kina se kwa no?
This is the one that I don't understand. It's unlike my son. It's your kumina. The almost gonna be fed. I had this bad dream. I'm telling you. Hi. I have a feeling my son is in trouble.
No, Ifa. If your son is in trouble, by now we would have heard it. Yes. We have so many Ogunike people living in Lagos. They would have told us. Okay. Yes. Look at Mr. Oraifo.
Oh, really?
Kozi Papa Achinelu. Kozi Nkena no nwa teacher. Kezafia Ebogota. Would have told us now. Yes.
Some Oziano, this my in-law a mad dream. It's a mad dream, okay?
See, I know what I was one. Okay, I know what I was him. The state of my daughter is making me to cry.
Wando. Kedafam.
Wando.
Afam bo norma. That means a good home. And when me king no na Ogechi atafufu. I cannot stand by and watch Ogechi suffer.
Biko.
I will take care of Ogechi.
Biko.
Okay, why do they call me Onoma? A good home. I worry in on why Ogechi. I'm a negotiate yourself, eh? Imem kwata na onwemu. Icha na omo le. Please do. Msobu adiro.
Please do.
Ebesina.
Okwado so funji.
Agotam.
Adi okwado ebo. What was one get about no.
Agotam. Obinne.
Na metukpa ni ametukpa no mo. Metu no. We say fele one no.
Then Tianya go and give the assurance you need. Wait to Obiki calm down. I would look after her. If you want to carry someone. July for all you know to Quaker oats, can you call your family account? Quaker oats, Tinyo Manu Tiamele.
Manabia Macadmadia and
Kennedy, Macobia Kito, make a say
was going with years ago.
Oh, yes, Nata. Oh, yes,
India.
I'm a master. So what do you think? I'm a some of the young man.
Aduro now.
What is this now?
You need to go and see the doctor now. And at this your condition.
Daddy, see, I'm very fine. More all right. Me you sick. Please, let me be.
Why will you say so? Look, nobody that will have this kind pregnant and not go and be seeing doctor every day. You need to see Dr. Taiwo. He will now check you and give you medication. Even if he asks me to get drugs from London, I will do it. Yeah? Yes.
Why are you suddenly showing care now? Why now? Because few weeks ago you still locked up the father of this baby. Then how come you love the baby but you don't love the father?
Why would I love my own grandson, my own grandchild? He's looking for my money. That is why I don't like him. But as for my grandchild, no. I have to take care of the child baby, okay?
Daddy. Now I bomb me, Dada. I join to real long. If it's to see the doctor, I will. You want me to see the doctor? Yes. You want me to go and see the doctor? I'll see the doctor.
Don't care about Dada.
Free my husband.
I don't care with you, Dada. That's doctor. If you want me to bring him, then just go and take him.
Call the commissioner and they should free him.
I will do that.
They should free him. You enter the car, Joe. Enter the car.
Take it easy with my daughter. Osobo. Mommy. When the long finish, before we come. Good girl. Oh, Dada. Thank you. Dr. Taiwo, I've sent her. She's coming over. Please do the needful. I don't want any grandchild from Omoyibo. Flush the thing out, please, and send me your bill. So, well, anything you want, I'm going to do it for you. Oshe Dada, Doctor Jodakulo, don't fail me, please. Jo, Oshe, bye bye. Oshe, go. Emi, Omoyibo, Olomaje.
Oh, well, no, don't bother, don't lock the door.
Oh boy! You don't become another Peter that the angel of the Lord released from prison.
Please open the door. It's the DPO. He just came and said that they should release me.
Sorry, you keep your tongue out. I'm a catcher.
Open the door. I'm tired. I'm dirty. I need to shave. Let me go inside.
Now me send you go prison. Easy now.
I'll say whatever you like to say. Say whatever you like to say.
I beg you, come enter.
Auntie Buki, get something where I say I won't tell you since when we dey house they pay me for mine.
What's that?
Yesterday when I carry Oga, I hear when they tell person say he go send you go Dr. Taiwo place, make the commander or Moyibo pikin.
You wrote me.
I thought say I go tell you, but
Back, Joe, back, let's talk. Back, thank you. You won't lose your job, my dear. You will not lose your job. Oh yeah, tell me. So, the Dr. Taiwo's place we're going to now, is for them to take off the baby. Back. Hey, I hear me. Thank you. See, you will not lose your job. Okay? Now, I beg you in the name of God, permit me to calm down. When you get to, just tell them that as we got to the place, I told you I wanted to buy something. I just ran away. You understand? But don't worry, nothing will happen to your job, please. Please, Maria. Oshé, I will see you when I get back. I will see you. Tell them I ran. Baby. What is it? Please, baby, let's leave now. Let's leave today. Let's leave Lagos. It's very important, please. I beg you.
I don't understand. What are you talking about? What is going on? Where are we leaving to?
Oh,
take it.
My father thinks I'm an ode. He thinks I'm a fool. I don't know what is happening. My father sent me to see Dr. Taiwo to get a proper medication.
Good.
A proper treatment. But I got to know that Dr. Taiwo is to do a DNC on me. They want to kill our baby.
No.
Please leave. My daddy wants to send you back to the cell.
No, I don't want to go back there.
Then in that case, let's go, please. Let's go.
Where do we go to?
To your village. Your village is fine. I can live in your village with you. Please, let's be safe, baby. Please.
I don't have money.
I have money. Stop talking. I have money. I have ATM. We can withdraw anywhere. In the bank. I'm sure your village has a bank.
Okay.
Please.
Let me get my bag.
Please, be fast. Baby, please, let me help you.
Thank you. Go and get me some dailies. I heard there's they posted some share inside, so I want to read it. About 4 dailies. Go.
Okay, today now, Wednesday now.
Abudi Okwe. I said this paper.
Oh.
Open that gate. Open that gate for them.
One more.
Oh, okay. What do you mean by Wahala? They cannot sell it. What do you mean she escaped?
She escaped where? To where?
She ran away, sir. What do you mean she ran away? What do you mean she ran away? Sir, talk to me now. Where does she not to? Talk to me. Talk to me. Where is my son I want to? Hey, but wait to know. Taju. Oh, where would I look for this guy now? Where's my food? Bukola, where? Can you move she buy to the law? Taju. I don't die. Where's my food?
Yes, I will.
Eat it, Biko.
No.
My stomach is full.
Hi. You see that first one I gave you? That was for you. This one is for my grandson. Hey. Ofa Asoka.
Thank you.
Be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever, oh, you don't scatter my head, oh. Yeah, now you get in my heart, oh. I will never leave you forever. I will stay with you. We will be together.
Mama! Papa!
Khalifa,
What is
Hey!
it? Chinedu, what is it?
Papa! Hey! I'm sure my mother gave you this plantain for me. Huh?
It's not a plantain. It's not a plantain. Papa, SAG is back. And I saw him on the bike with a woman. Papa, and I'm very, very sure they came back together.
Chinedu, is that why you are shouting?
Papa, it could be a girl he saw at a Figure market and decided to give a ride. Like I'm wine about it. Mama, Mama, my wife.
Chinedu, do lies.
Let me go inside.
He can't do a thing.
Papa, the way he blew that.
It's okay, it's okay.
What you're saying, Papa? I saw them with my 2 naked eyes, Papa.
Right, because his attitude since he went back to Lagos has been suspicious. And a cockroach cannot be innocent in the gathering of fowls. You know what? Huh? Go to Okadibo's house and find out what is going on. Huh? Then bring me word. Okay, yes. You said you do a thing like this. Too bad. Let's see.
Ifela Dembeki, you came back to this house, saw your wife. You didn't even greet her well. Ikenenya kebe madu na ekene onyo frinuzo. Car number 1. That is after being away for so long. Not even a phone call, no sort of communication. Car 1. 2. Onya budo nwa. Nwa bobia no bobia bem. Who is this young girl? Onye Kobu, whose daughter?
Mama, please. This is a journey that we set out since 4 a.m. What haven't we seen today? From bad road to vehicle broken down to hold up. We didn't even eat all day. And we just go here. Mama, let me at least bath, eat and rest. Then we can catch up. I can explain everything.
There is no bathing. No eating, no resting in this house until you tell me who this young girl is. You left this young girl and went away. Eh? And you're here telling me, Nigga, explain. What do you have to explain? Can you do nonsense about it? Look at this young girl. You follow this girl, brought her into my house. I don't know who she is. You're not ready to explain.
Ah. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ now, Jude, sọ fún mi now. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Èwo gbogbo eléyìí now, explain to me now.
Ogbonye Yoruba. Ogechi. Ogbonye Yoruba ka Jude Babata. Jude came back to my house with a Yoruba girl. Oh, Jude, you went to Lagos. Instead of settling down and making money, you came back with a Yoruba girl. Me, your wife Ogechi is here, pregnant for you. You know, calling her Lagos.
Hey, Mama.
What?
Who is pregnant? Ha, Jude. Ah, my father she toothpick, Jude. Oh, this one. You told me yes of a village wife. Would they understand circumstances to explain for me? But you didn't tell me she's pregnant. Hey, Jude. So far, Mama, tell your parents I'm also pregnant.
Hey! Oh, Jude, you are breaking me. Hey! Who am I going to talk to? Hey! The ground should open and eat me up.
See, you can give me benefit of doubt. I'm your son, your biological son for that matter. You have your blood running inside of me, and you know I'm not hapless, Mama. Eh? For me to have left since without communicating, Mama, it wasn't easy.
Let me tell you, I swear on this breast that I will not allow this girl into this house as long as Ogechi's here. She's legally married to you. What will I tell people?
Chinedu, what is the news?
Papa, your suspicions are right. Ezeji came back with a woman. That same woman. A woman I am very, very sure she's not even from Obunike. And Papa, that is not all. With the way I saw the both of them, hi, Papa, something deep, very, very deep is going on between them.
Hey, wait! Chinedu,
Papa,
are you sure?
Papa, I'm very, very sure.
Are you sure, Chinedu?
Yes, Papa.
So my hunches are right. Ojoso abakwoko. Ojoso abakwoko. Hey! My work is taking care. Hey, wait! My work is sick! When a man defies himself, Obinna, where are you? I'm not going to enter your house. Your house is even defied. Come out here! Obinna, I want to see you. Your greeting is like rotten egg before the gods. Is it true that you came back with a woman?
Yes, it's
Hey! Obinna, as the Zeji of Obunike, you cannot marry from outside this community. You cannot have a relationship with a woman beside your wife. And you cannot bring enmity between us and the gods. So you must send her away.
Ichi, I cannot do such thing. And I will never bring enmity between us and the gods. Eh?
How dare you challenge me, Obinna? Do you want to cure the wrath of the gods?
I'm not going to send her away. I've said that before. Eh? The girl we're talking about, in case you don't understand, she is pregnant for me. The first fruit from my loins. She's carrying it. So you don't expect I should just throw her away like that.
You see it? Allah Pagoyi.
Hey!
Is what Allah Chumuna Gayale up Pagoyi. Did I not tell you? I warned you. I warned you, but you will not listen. Now your uncle is here to warn you. You will not destroy this family.
Unoma, your son wants to delete our posterity. Better warn him, oh. Unoma, warn him. Better warn your son. Because he is going to put his hand in a burning flame. Ekucham. Anam.
Ifugie. Kangwagi, you want to destroy yourself. You will destroy yourself, no problem. I'm not
going to do such thing. Eh? Because I'm on the right path. After all, when I wasn't ready to marry, you and Iche insisted and put pressure on me. I respected you people and I got married. And when I got back to Lagos, this now happened. How would I have known that another girl was pregnant for me? And then you expect me to now be heartless and throw her away? Eh?
Let me ask you a question, please. What did you go to Lagos to do? Okwipatego?
Yes.
Yes. Instead of Ipatego, you took your manhood and started writing ABCD in the streets of Lagos. You went to Bangwanyime, Mr. Manhood ABC. You go away in Wuru and Yenye Akamadria.
I'm not going to kill myself. After all, I'm on the right course.
I love book as much as I love Ogage. Eh? You people forced me to get married when I wasn't prepared for it. I respected you people. How would I have known that another person is pregnant for me? Then now you expect me to be heartless and drive her away. No, it will not happen. It's my responsibility. I will shoulder both of it.
Izej, let me ask you. You knew you had a woman in Lagos. Why did you marry me?
My dear, if only you believe me. But the truth is that I had no idea at all that she was pregnant before I came to you.
Or brought pregnancy, now. We're not talking about pregnancy. You should have told Ichie Uchendu that you had a woman somewhere in Lagos.
He's the cause of everything. Yes, Ichie Uchendu caused everything for me. If you hadn't put pressure on me that I must get married before leaving for Lagos, all this wouldn't have happened.
But you still should have told him. What you're doing now is not fair. You're just jamming two heads together. Robbing Peter to pay Paul. Is it fair? It's not fair, and I will not take it. This girl must leave this house. She must leave this house.
Yes, it's blind. Nobody is contesting that with you. Consider, Kenneth. Is it fair? Put yourself in her shoes. What if you were to be in her shoes?
I am not in her shoes. She's the one wearing the shoes. Let her wear it. I don't want to wear. But in the meantime, she will leave this house. I am the wife, the only wife to the Ezeji of Ogbonike, and nobody is going to contest that position with me. Nobody. It is me and only me. So therefore, she must leave this house.
I agree with you.
I cut her out there, me go man for this you.
No, but because it's more just consider me. I know I have really messed up. I have sinned against you. But please, who else would I run to if not for my lovely wife?
If you agree, let her leave.
Be cool. Just be compassionate.
Ezeji.
No.
Send her out of this house.
Tó sọ̀rọ̀ ìyàwó 1 month wọ́n lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí mo ti wá Lagos where I come from. If you like they give you 15 now. If you want to collect it many times. You will remain in the village to make money there. Àpamọ́ idiots. If you not I will show you this village. The 2 days that I've stayed here I will show you that I've learned. Now choose over to